Hey everybody, welcome back to J&G Electric's YouTube channel. This is Joey, I'm the master electrician. We came across this project last week. If you can see closely, we'll zoom in. This is a NEMA 1450 flush receptacle, mainly used for car chargers. Apparently, the plug that would plug into this that goes into the car charger was not completely engaged into this outlet. And after a period of time, it was arcing. And eventually you can see how it melted. Take a look at the back. The entire back of this outlet had completely melted and burned itself clear. What I'd like you guys to do, and gals, check your plugs for your car chargers. If you have a car charger in your home, put your hand on the back side of the cord plug that would plug into this. Put your palm on it. Feel for any heat. If you feel heat, call an electrician immediately and discontinue the use of that car charger. This could have been a really big fire in this guy's garage. Luckily, it did not cause the building to burn down, but it could have.